For 150 reals, gantong kadami at good for sharing na.
Mag-pray ka muna.
Ano? Ang lutong na best. Lutong-luto sa loob. Deep fry. Actually, pwede ka mamili kung deep fry or grilled. So, ano mas prefer mo? Ano?
Soup.
Ano soup?
Sabaw. Or sabaw.
Soup best. Soup.
Soup.
Let's be honest, minsan nagkikrave ka ng seafood, lalo na ang crab, pero sana di ganun kamahal, and that's exactly what I found. Kaya halina't samahan nyo kami dito sa Alexandrian Fish located in Al Sahafa, Riyadh. Para din siyang mini dampa kung saan maaari ka ring magpakilo ng fish at ipaluto. Meron din naman silang prepared menu kung saan pwede kang pumili. So, pili tayo dito kung ano yung papaluto natin. So, I tried this lobster grilled cheese that everyone's obsessed. With all of its gooey cheesiness, mapapatakam ka naman talaga. Ito yung tinatawag nila ditong mansaf. For only 150 reals, isang malaking plate na siya. May kasama ng 3 fried fish, 2 varieties of rice, shrimp, and fish fillet. Dip into tahiniya sauce to add flavor. Para sa mga locals, ito yung perfect vegan sauce for fish.
O yung tinik, kawawa.
Binayaran yan. Kasama sa timbang. At bawat lutong, init mo. Lutong yan.
We also ordered super creamy and rich baked seafood pasta. And syempre, don't forget to try their seafood soup para sa malamig na panahon.
May isang crab.
So if you are craving for fresh seafood dishes, try to visit Alexandrian Fish Restaurant.
Yung mata, dapat hindi luwa. So kapag daw luwa na yung mata, expired na.
And syempre, may special discount ka when you use my code REDS. So that's all guys. See you on our next food trip.
Hi, ating videographer. Ayan, pakainin natin yung videographer natin. Ayan. Hello! Uy, na-import lang natin si Kuya. Super bait niya.
Like